My name is David Searle. I'm an attorney who works in Denver. I've been a lawyer for 20 years this year. I like to focus my practice on DUIs because normal, everyday people get DUIs. Almost everybody drinks. Almost everybody drinks and drives, and that's perfectly legal. It's illegal to drink too much and drive, and where that line should be drawn is a very challenging one for people, and for juries, and for judges, and for cops. What's happening now with DUI laws is these policies are getting stricter and stricter. You have to know your way around the system. You have to know a myriad of laws involving the DMV, involving what's going to happen to your license, involving judges. 0.08 is considered to be intoxicated. If you're above that, you're intoxicated. If you're below that, you can still be what we call in this state driving while impaired, which is anything over 0.05. And then, of course, the measurements we use to take, how do you determine what someone's blood alcohol is? It's not accurate to 3 digits or even the second digit. A scientist wouldn't rely on those numbers. The way DUI laws are going now, most people need a lawyer. These limits, I'm not sure how much they jive with reality. Secondly, the testing of it's not enough to show. So there's a huge gray area, and a lot of very normal people end up in that gray area, not breaking the law at all, and they are charged, and they're in trouble, and they need a lawyer. I tell my clients all the time, I want to win more than they do, and they never believe me. My job, as I see it, is to get results, is to win, and it's to position my case in the best possible way to get that. Almost every circumstance involves talking to a lawyer first, and many of them require hiring a lawyer just because this process is going to be very expensive, it's going to be very time-consuming, and there are a lot of bad things that can happen. A lawyer's job is to minimize that. I've had many people just shocked and appalled at what they're facing, and they didn't realize how tough it was going to be. And those are people who need help, and I figure I can use my 20 years to help people, which is why I became a lawyer in the first place.